Hey guys, Tony here. So I know I haven't posted about my YouTube in a while, but again, I just want to say thank you guys. I'm at 1.2 thousand followers or subscribers on YouTube. This is crazy because, I remember when all of you guys told me to make a YouTube and you're like, hey dude, make one, and just to like, put your videos and stuff. But I started with zero, right? And then after everybody convinced me, I already have, 1,200 followers, which is absolutely crazy, man. Like I still surprised that I have more than one to this day, right? So just thank you guys. Thank you everybody for all the support. I'm happy I'm making people money. I wish I had all your money though, so I can make that money for myself. But I'm happy you guys enjoy watching me, and thank you guys for the support. Really appreciate the love, man, and especially all of you guys who keep sharing me and telling me that you're sharing me to all your friends and your trading groups and stuff like that, which is nuts because I never thought I was, there's plenty of traders who are probably like a lot better than me, but to have a lot of you guys tell me that, you guys put me in like the top 5 traders that you guys know, for especially for like technicals and stuff, I think it's fantastic, right? So also, I mean, I like I said, I don't like to toot my own horn, but I'm right like a lot, right? But yeah guys, just thank you for the support. Really appreciate all the love, and I hope you guys keep watching me on TikTok and on YouTube, and just we'll see if we can hit 2,000 subscribers by maybe in like the next month or two. So that'd be pretty crazy. Thank you all.